look at this. Oh my God. And right now it's only about a little bit after 6. I have a tornado watch until 6:30. And I'm driving a little about 25, 26 miles an hour. I can feel the wind against the truck. I can feel the swells of water hitting my truck as well. So it's pretty interesting stuff, this weather out here. You never think that in Atlanta, wow, that thunderstrike, that you don't really see a lot of this weather like this all of a sudden. I mean, it just happens too. You go under the overpass there, and you kind of see what this weather is doing. And it's almost just kind of white out a little bit. You see some people on the side of the road there, they're just pulling over, which probably kind of smart to do, but they need to put their hazards on. And you got a tractor trailer up there, it's got his hazards on too. And yeah, this weather is crazy. What else has got to say here?
This afternoon, new time is 6:17. We will return to Sean Hannigan now. We'll break in again.
Who wants to listen to Sean Hannigan?
Our live Storm Center coverage will resume with an update at 6:30 if we do not talk to you before. And of course, the traffic every 6 minutes.
All right, so now it's 6:20, and it looks a lot better out here. It's not as rainy. It's getting dark, and I'm only going 10 miles faster than I was before, and these tractors and trailers are moving pretty good. A lot of them are weighted down, so they're riding all right, but little pickup trucks like me, we just stay on the side of the road here, not trying to get too aggressive out here in this weather. This is more like the rain now. It's more like what we're normally getting in Atlanta when it is rainy. But the stuff that I was in even just 3 minutes ago was just crazy weather.